Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a light without using switch, only using battery and light. Here is the positive and negative terminal of light. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. So I already solder negative and positive terminal like this. So, and this is the battery. Battery also has a positive and negative part. So this is a positive and this is a negative. So I make one holder for a light like this. This is a triangular holder of catoon. So I paste this LED here like this. So, and I press it like this a little bit harder, and I paste this battery here. I already give a cell chip here, so that's why this is cell tip is available here. So, and this is a, so as you can see, I paste the battery like this, and this is a negative part of the light and this is a negative parts of battery. So I connect negative to the negative like this. You only rotate the wires like this, and after that you see the light's position. I think the glue was became stronger, means useless, so I paste it, and this is a positive part and positive part. When you connect it, the light will be glow, and here it's too easy, no complicated. Also have a stand like this. Thank you guys.